Without their aircraft because road of the edit is very bumpy. So operator.
May tubig! I-dump mo, may tubig! Oh, dump mo!
Maybe you check to the and trader in the fish camp
Ano yan?
container. Maybe they have some people on their standby.
Radyo ako si Jamal! I-dump mo muna! O doon sa dulo! Yan sa dulo! Yan sa dulo! Jamal, Canada.
Where is the pressure? We need to reload there. Copy sir, yeah, I think we have our trader here in the base camp.
Jamal, Canada.
Okay sir, copy.
Jamal, Canada. Dong, Jamal, Canada.
Sino na ko sir the leveling plate sir? With the trader available sir, it's okay. Sir. Sir. It's great. So, sure with that, where is the exact place? Excavator 4, kuya. Sa mga excavator na yan, kung may kita eh. Dito. Wala ko dyan. Salamat. Lloyd, maybe we need another grader. Maybe we make the two grader around the whole road. Sino ba yung pwede magano dyan? Yung ano lang muna, yung mga light vehicle road, yung dinadaanan nila. At kami na, tatlo na para madali. Tatlo na kami dito eh. Tatlo na kami dito para madali. Pakidyo lang siya, no? Si Jamal, may ano naman yan, may sukari naman dyan kung... Dahil mo yan.
Race 1! Oh!
Dito para madali, tatlo yung nag-reveal gagamitin.
Oh!
Apat ka.
Kaya ako dyan, punta ako doon.